The past boat I had, we had a lot of fun, but no matter how much money you spent on it, things sort of went amiss all the time. Putting screws in, tightening bolts, things were breaking. I suppose when COVID hit, you know, everybody reassessed their lives. I had the opportunity to have a look at Edencraft. I did jump on a 233 with a mate, and I just couldn't believe it. I was blown away with just not only the size, but just the way it moved in the water. You know, there's just so many things on this boat that you're amazed with. You know, we've got a fleur, so it's safe at night. Got 300 Pro X's, gets you out of trouble if you need to. We fit comfortably 6 people here today and caught a marlin with it. And there was no real pandemonium. Everybody moved where they needed to, and we got the job done. When I went to Edencraft and had a look at their factory, you really fall in love with it straight away. I mean, the service, to be able to make a phone call and get things happening straight away, that's all you ask for in this world these days, is getting good service. And I suppose everybody feels when they buy Edencraft that you feel part of the family, which is so important. And that's what you want. I think the main thing is not only meeting beautiful and fantastic people, it's spending time with my 2 sons, just seeing the smile and the joy that we get out of and the laughs when we're fishing together. And that's all I ever want with anybody that comes on my boat. You know, Frankie Recupero got his first marlin today, and that's something that I'll never forget, is having friends or family on the boat, having a great experience and being a part of it.
Thank you!